In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Sheet into a folder. Managing your documents efficiently can save you time and keep your digital workspace clutter-free. So let's dive into this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the Google Sheet that you plan to move. Head over to Google Drive and navigate to where your spreadsheet is stored. Once you locate it, click to open it. Now that you have it open, take a moment to ensure everything is up to date before proceeding. The next step, which many find quite crucial, involves selecting the data within your spreadsheet. To do this, go to the upper left corner of the sheet, right above the number 1 of the row, and click on it. This will highlight all the data present in your sheet. If your sheet is extensive, use the scroll bars to check that everything has been selected. Highlighting all your data can also be useful as a quick reminder to ensure that your sheet is ready to be moved without missing anything. With your data highlighted, look towards the toolbar at the top of the page. Here, you're going to find the Move icon, which typically looks like a folder with an arrow. Click on this icon to start the process of moving your sheet to the desired location within your Google Drive. After clicking the Move icon, a new pop-up window will appear displaying the folders within your Google Drive. Your next move is to find and click on the folder labeled Documents, if that's where you specifically wish to store your Google Sheet. If your Documents folder isn't visible right away, use the search bar or scroll through your folders to locate it. Remember, you could also opt for any folder of your choice, depending on how you've organized your Google Drive. Once you've clicked on your desired destination folder, look for the Move button located at the bottom right corner of the pop-up window. Clicking on this button will finalize the relocation of your Google Sheet into the chosen folder. It's a straightforward step, but make sure you double-check you've selected the correct folder, as there may be similarly named folders within your drive. Finally, after the move is complete, you might see a notification pop up on the screen. To close this, simply click on the Dismiss button. This helps clear your view, and you can go back to organizing the rest of your files without any distractions. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet has now been efficiently moved to a folder, making it easier to find and ensuring your Google Drive remains organized. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tech tips.